Okay, we're gonna make a real quick marinade. I've got a little bit of coriander, and with coriander you want to smash it up just a little bit, release some of that flavor. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of Kalamata juice. You saw Kalamatas in the last video. I'm putting just a little bit of the juice because it's already got some red wine and some other good flavors in there that will complement the pork. I'm gonna be putting a few other things here today. We've got some sugar. We're going with some fresh black pepper, of course. Love pepper. Okay. We're going to be putting some garlic, approximately a tablespoon of garlic. This is the minced dried garlic. This stuff is awesome. It's fast, it's convenient, and it has a great flavor. Okay, a little bit of oregano is going in there. Sea salt. Cumin, smoked pepper powder, pinch of cinnamon, some extra virgin olive oil, as well as a splash of cider vinegar. Okay, we're going to mix this all up, and that right there is going to be an awesome pork marinade. Pork goes in, coat all the sides, cover, refrigerate, get the grill going. Yeah, that's going to be good. Please watch the next video. Like, share, subscribe, and have a great day. Daikon radish with a sweet and tangy black sesame vinaigrette. It's in stock only at chefdepot.com.